Top 5 best Android TV boxes you can buy in 2021. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be checking the top 5 best Android TV boxes in the market. I made these lists based on buyers' opinions and hours of research too. I listed them based on price, design, features, and picture quality. Well, whether you're looking for a great value Android TV box or just would like to have the ultimate knowledge of what are the top 5 best Android TV boxes, we will provide the details for you. I've included options for every type of products on this list, so if you are looking for an affordable 4K streaming device or a powerhouse media machine, we'll have a product list for you. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decision when buying the Android TV box. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets in the market and help you purchase the right decision based on your specific requirements. All the links to all the products mentioned in this video we will show in the description below, so be sure to click the subscribe button to stay up to date on information and content and hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss a new video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Starting at the 5th entry on our list, at number 5, we found the Roku Express HD TV box. With a price of $30, this is our best pick for a budget Android TV box. It offers a great alternative for cost-conscious buyers who are looking for a great TV box. This is very easy to use, the device that can be set up in mere minutes so you can get to watch your favorite programs. It also sports one of the most popular OS interfaces in the TV streaming world. The Roku Express is just 3.4 inches long, so it won't take up a lot of space when connecting to your TV. It's powered by a micro USB port that also comes with the adapter to plug in straight into a TV, which is great for users with compatible sets. This device also comes with a 2-foot-long HDMI cable and adhesive tape to situate the Roku in the best spot available. The only warning is the need to produce a direct line of sight between the unit and the included remote control, and users should bear this in mind during setup. This is the most reputable OS interfaces ever designed for a TV box, and Roku continues the trend here. It is also very easy to navigate and find the right content you want, and Roku will even make suggestions for you. The Netflix, Amazon, HBO, and Google Play support are all here, including many others, and with 3,500 channels to choose from, there is no shortage of things to watch. The picture quality cannot match the Fire Stick TV as it handles only 1080p video. This is to be expected from a device at this price range. The included remote control has a basic navigation button, including a few shortcut buttons for popular streaming platforms. The Express lets you stream free live TV over the internet. It is perfect for new users. It is quick and easy to set up. What you have to do is plug it into your TV with the included high-speed HDMI and connect it into the internet for you to get started. Tons of power compact and power pack that you will love with this device. You will stream your favorite with ease from movies and series on Apple TV, plus Prime Video, Netflix, and Disney+. The Roku channel, HBO Showtime, and Google Play, the cable alternatives with no monthly equipment fee. I'm pretty sure that you will enjoy the features of this Roku Express HD. The 4th best choice on our list is the Fire TV Stick 4K. At the price of $50, this is the best value Android TV box 4K streaming. It is designed specifically for those who want 4K gaming without paying a high fee and without sacrificing the content that they love to watch. The device itself has an HDMI connector and a micro USB port on either side that also comes with an HDMI extender case. The device was designed for easy setup with a simple plug-and-play approach. Once connected to the TV, a set of instructions appear to get the user to sign in with their Amazon account. Prime members will appreciate the ease of use here, as it will automatically detect your subscription and offer you appropriate content. The Fire Stick comes with a remote control that features Alexa support, as well as traditional controls for volume and navigation. Alexa will detect vocal commands with the push of a button on a remote and allow you to find the content you want, while also enabling voice-controlled playback at the same time. It can also take control of your TV's volume controls, reducing the need for multiple remotes around the living room. The device runs on a Fire TV OS, which is user-friendly, easy to navigate interface, and doesn't just promote Amazon's content, but also of that Netflix and other third-party content providers. This device can also handle UHD or HDR media for full ultra high-definition support with the help of the quad-core CPU and 8GB of RAM that power the device, as well as excellent Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. By the way, this device does not come with the Ethernet port, leaving the Wi-Fi hardware to pick up the slack in its absence. But good thing that there's support for 5G home networks. The features are versatile. You can watch your favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Video TV Plus, Apple TV, HBO, and more stream for free with Pluto, IMDb TV, and more. This device also has an AI assisted in launching control content with an Alexa voice remote. It has also an excellent video, so you can enjoy a brilliant picture with access to 4K Ultra, Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10+. And it has a huge library of content. You can choose 1,000 movies and TV episodes on Amazon Prime, as well as Netflix and other streaming devices. This is an excellent low-cost 4K streaming solution. Enjoy a versatile, very snappy 4K experience with no slowdown or lag to speak. Moving on, at number 3, another exciting Android box on our list is Leebox Q4 Max. Starting at the price of $56, this Leel box is equipped with an updated operating system which is faster and more efficient. The Android Q4 Max box has a better compatibility of software, games, and applications, a better user interface and user experience. It also supports 3D and 4K content and comes equipped with an Android 8.1 already installed, so you don't need to be concerned about updating the OS for a while. Its remote has a nice long 50-foot range, making it suitable for big entertainment areas. At 3.94 by 3.94 by 1.06 inches, the Leelbox Q4 Max isn't the smallest Android TV box, but it is compact enough to set it up individually with your entertainment system. Design-wise, it has a traditional shape, which we found to be pretty standard. As for the performance, it uses a professional RK3 3-to-8 quad-core Cortex-A53 processor and comes with the latest Android 8.1 OS, which makes sure the Android TV box is running faster and more efficiently to watch movies and play games. You can watch Netflix, IPTV, Showbox, and so on. So you have no need to wait for the stream to catch up. Moving on, the 3.0 can transfer large capacity files such as HD movies and can optimize the machine to reduce energy consumption. In addition, the Leel box supports decoding and playing almost all popular audio and video formats, which allow you to enjoy 4K Ultimate HD video. You can enjoy the higher quality experience with less buffering, which is pretty impressive. To conclude, it is perfect for those who are looking for an affordable but good performance Android TV box with installation and setup that is incredibly simple. We are now at number 2, the second best Android TV box in this video, presenting the Mi Box S Xiaomi. This is considered as one of the best Android TV boxes. At the price range of $64, this is a great value Android TV box. The Mi Box S Xiaomi consists of 3.5 by 3.5 inch setup TV box that balances features and 4K support. It's a nice alternative for those who want less restriction. This Android TV box includes an HDMI port and a USB port and a 3.5mm audio port for a minimalist interface. Xiaomi is much more Google-centric than the previous devices on our list. The features include the following: Google-centric, Mi Box is powered by Android 8.1, easy to use, and support Google Assistant and Chromecast, as well as delivering the whole content of what you need so that the whole family can enjoy. This unit is compatible with thousands of apps, giving you access to tons of premium video services and a constant stream of fresh new content. Another one is the Good Tech. It has a 4K output of 3840 by 2160. The CPU is a Cortex A53 quad-core 64-bit. The GPU is a Mali 450, and the RAM is a 2GB DDR3. The storage is 8GB eMMC, and the operating system is an Android 8.1. This device is affordable. It comes also with Google interface and apps including Google Assistant. There are some cons in this device, like the basic remote. The remote control lacks the bells and whistles of others in its class. In terms of picture quality, this device doesn't feature good picture quality as others in its class. But overall, this device is a useful alternative for those who wanted lesser restriction. If you are interested to know the updated pricing or going more in depth on some features of any of these Android TV box I have mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you are interested in staying up to date with the best products in the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. There you have it, our pick for the best of the best Android TV box in the market today. At number 1, introducing the remarkable NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. At the price of $200, if you have a budget to pay for a premium Android TV box, this is the best investment for you. Many buyers consider this Android TV box as the reigning king of Android due to its unbelievable features and powerful hardware that will surely impress the buyers. Inside the box, you will find a quick start guide and UK power adapter. The company has supplied a very convenient European adapter should you need it. The newly designed remote control, which is quite reminiscent to a chocolate bar, is very slim, so you do not need to have a microphone built in for your voice search. The HDR processing can play video games, pretty sure the whole family would enjoy it, and as an addition for the family living room. One great feature of the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is you've got a motion-activated backlight button, the Bluetooth connectivity, and an IR blaster for control of volume and power for your television. Imagine, you can control your TV, your soundbars, or receivers with this remote. Talking about the remote control, it has powered by two AA batteries, and if you're wondering how to open it, what you have to do is slide downwards, and there you go. The batteries are there, already installed and ready to use. On the back, there's a vent, two USB and 3 ports, an HDMI, the LAN, and the power socket. There has a Tegra 1 Plus, an upgraded CPU, and has a 25% faster performance than the previous gen. This NVIDIA Shield Pro has an upgraded Bluetooth version 5 for better connectivity. This box has 16 gigs of internal storage, from which you have 11 gigs free to use. The Shield TV offers a distinction of being able to stream games from your gaming PC to the device via GeForce Experience software for low-lag, high-quality gaming on your TV. The Dolby support brings your home theater to life with Dolby Vision HDR and surround sound with Dolby Atmos and Dolby Digital Plus vivid picture quality and immersive audio. So, that is all about our top best pick for the 5 Android TV box that you can buy in 2021. Thanks for watching. If you find this video amazing, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Be sure to check out our channel for more 5 best videos.